Yeah, there's a broken gear in the gearbox. See, and it can pop up like that too. So yeah, there's definitely a broken gear in there. I'll have to do that tomorrow. Lungine Pumpkin Carver has these bolts holding her on that I have to take out. And there's Lungine Lily's. She has a lot of pulls, Jesus. She's put together pretty well though. Oh wow, I never realized how much thicker her springs were than the Jumping Spider. Like, they're thick compared to the Jumping Spider. Holy crap. The mechanism... Those screw holders are snapped off for this gearbox. What the hell? This thing is in shit shape. Look at this. Look at even this part of the base is cracked. Oh yeah, when I first set this up, this was the store display. It didn't come with screws in this part. So like it would be all crooked and it would fall over when it lunged. I had to actually put screws in it myself. And that piece would have snapped if I didn't. Yeah, so imagine that not having screws in there and it has to hold this heavy head assembly. That doesn't work too well. Of course it's the square shaft gear that's broke. Yay, I have a spare. I don't know if it's exactly the same, but it'll have to do. It looks the same. Oh my god, it's not just the square shaft gear that's broke. Look, there's still something else broke. The hell? Okay, so what's happening is this gear is popping up. There we go, this piece. This is what was missing. That's why that gear was sliding out of place. So I re-hot glued the screw holders that were broken off on this. And I'm just covering the parts in the base that's cracked with glue as well. It was cracking down here too, so I'm going to cover that with glue. Like this whole base, look at this whole base is like cracking. It's terrible. They used like really bad quality on her. This would explain why she was leaning all the time. Here's, again, these are pull pieces that slide into the base right there where those holes are. And once they're in, you can't get them out unless you take the base apart and press the tabs from the inside of the base. Because obviously these lock on the inside. So it's weird. So yeah. So this being a store display, I think it has this obviously tab locks into here. But also there's 4 screws holding it on. One here, which goes through there, that holds that on. There's 2 that go on the there's one that goes here, and then there's ones that go down vertically, which screw in like that. So yeah, they put a lot of screws in this thing to make sure it wouldn't come out. So then the springs go back on. I almost never put these parts back on that go on this part. I just never do. It's cool because I was able to fix this without using that for parts, but the reason why is because I can't get these bolts out. I just couldn't. And that motor is like really glued in there too, so yeah. Oops. Alright. So it's all attached. Alright. So look at that blank battery compartment. Alright, let's try it. I have to hold it because it doesn't have any back weight on it, as you can see. Her hair is probably going to get all messed up now like Rosemary, since it was laying on the floor for a while. Nice. Oh no. I don't know what that was about. That's not good. Oh, great. Fucking hell. No, but no, look at how unstable mine is. Look at how much it freaking wobbles. It's not supposed to be like loose like that, because all the others I've seen, when they jump up, they don't wobble like that. Look at that pole. This pole is literally bending. What the is this? This pole has to be snapped. It's not even this. This one is too. Like, look at how much that one wobbles. Like, the whole thing bends. It's terrible. This is the reason why she leans so much. Look at these screws aren't doing anything to really support her. Like, look at how these are just wobbling. It's like these pieces just aren't holding them tight enough. And they're as tight as they can get. I tried tightening them, but that's definitely the problem. I've got this all taped up now, so maybe it'll help her not be so floppy. I don't know. But this one's pretty loose too. This one like bends.